And let me explain. The type of arrest normally was arrest under warrant.
Okay.
So there was an arrest warrant or more agents of the chase amount to be.
Okay, because when Mr. Oh, let's just say Yoko for buy and not Omukra arrest warrant. I don't know what the chama won't just at that time.
That's
and
correct.
And man for yes a Rambo star, you knew who she never found and you correct. Okay.
Media, I'm explaining it from a legal perspective.
From the legal perspective, and your politics, politics.
And if there's anything wrong, what is wrong is the law itself, not the approach.
Okay.
And Ranwich, let's say, Yokofono, all powers of the police. That is the Yoko Act.
Okay.
And it's almost a Jumabia, almost a police, and that includes arrest, arrest upon warrant. But what we didn't do in the law is now I can say subjected warrant, from the court granted upon the court grant of an order, not by Yoko itself. And default, in the law, no need baby, Yoko Nankasa able power of issuance of the warrant.
Okay.
Because Anka court the issue warrant the law was treating like that. And justification of issuing the warrant will be determined in the court.
Okay.
But they themselves can determine whether or not to arrest under warrant.
Okay.
And they came with a warrant.
Okay.
And say 48-hour rule under a criminal procedure code. So yes, it applies to those arrests that does not come with a warrant.
Okay. Okay.
And 48-hour rule does not play on this one.
Does not play on this one. Oh, okay.
Again, by as we speak, he has been granted bail.
Okay.
Na yetimi meeting bail conditions.
Okay. This is a chama
however bad it looks, like I always say, it is the law that makes it bad. Nipa ya ono issue arrest warrant. Ono also leeway to grant bail.
Sure.
Which means ono also to determine conditions of bail. Default in the law, as I say, address.
The address, okay.
You reserve so much power into one institution or authority. Nipa apply law no, the mischief come one. Then it affects individual rights.
Sure.
But I know the law no necessarily very respected human rights provisions of the same law.
Okay. Now, the council, okay, I said that I say, bill term no crown, Yoko for an determine, and your court,
Yoko for an determine. The relief available to us is to go to court. Under the Yoko law and also other laws, to pray the courts and review
bill
terms.
Okay.
And I know I pay filing near court. But unfortunately, we need to serve the respondents being Yoko itself and Attorney General. That they also ought to be heard. It means that we cannot come by way of an ex parte application.
Okay.
We may have to come on notice. Notice necessary. They need to be served. When they are served, so the expectation is that they need time to prepare to also file an affidavit of opposition, if any.
Okay.
Which means to say the appropriate time to come back to court will be sometime Tuesday or Wednesday.
And the council, until that time, let's just say, Chawa Wontumi will still be at the custody of the Yoko.
Say, you to meet the bail terms in the sanitary.
Now, what is the bill term? What is the bill term?
Listen, bail term is he is admitted to bail of 50 million Ghana cedis. Bail bond, no. Now, two sureties to be justified.
Okay.
Two sureties to be justified. What it means is sureties no mobano. Landed property to the tune of 50 million. The two of them put together.
Okay.
To say to the tune 50 million or above. And only problem now in the execution of the bail conditions. Until the last 3 days, unfortunately, as we speak now, BBI is substantial between the file as meeting the terms of the bail conditions.
Oh, okay.
And the pay, I have indications that on the other hand, I ready to the court call for a review of the bail conditions. The SSA within our means under the law, we are ready to do it.
Anyway,